Question: determine the point on the curve on the intersection of the surface z is equal to xy plus 5, x plus y plus z is equal to 1, which is nearest to the origin, that we minimize the function x square plus y square plus z square. For that, you can see here it is said that z is equal to xy plus y. Actually, this 2 is z is equal to xy plus ea. So here I am taking for, you can take this for 5, 10 like that. So the general z is equal to xy is these two curve, and this 2 point related to x plus y plus z is equal to 1, right? Now which is nearest to the origin. See, these 2 point is nearest to the origin. When zoom out, these 2 points will be somewhat enlarged. When it is zoom in, you can see that these 2 points will become nearest to the origin. So this is z equal to xy, and these 2 points related to x plus y plus z is equal to 1, which is nearest to the origin. Now we have to minimize the function x square plus y square plus z square which circulate this point. Okay, so for that, first you can consider the function f x y z is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and the next two constraint equations are there: z equal to xy plus y and x plus y plus z equal to 1. How you can identify this as a function? Just from the question itself, you can see that minimize, maximize, shortest, largest, like that any term is given, nearby any function is represented, you can consider that is the function. Okay, so here in the question represent as minimize, so together you can see another one constraint function is given, so that you can consider that as the function f, and the remaining two you can consider as constraint equation. Now two constraint equations are there, so that you can assume this is phi 1 xy z and phi 2 xy z. So now you can define capital F is equal to fxyz plus lambda 1 phi 1 plus lambda 2 phi 2, where this lambda 1 and lambda 2 are the Lagrangian multipliers. Now you can substitute fxyz phi 1 and phi 2. Now dou f by dou x, differentiate this. So 2x plus differentiate with respect to x. So here lambda 1 into minus 1 plus lambda 2. Again, equated that to 0, because maxima or minima itself, the first derivative will be equated to 0. So that's equal to 0. I note as equation number 3. The same way you have to differentiate with respect to y and then z. So in the same manner is equal to 0. And again, in equation number 5, you can write dou f by dou z is equal to 2z plus lambda 1 plus lambda 2 equal to 0, and mark as equation number 5. Now, our aim is to find the point on the curve. So for that, you need x, y, z. Already equation number 3, 4 and 5 is here. Now just subtract 4 and 5. You will be get 2 into y minus z minus lambda 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. In the same manner, subtract 3 and 4. So in the order, you will get x minus y is equal to 0, lambda 1 plus 2 is equal to 0, so that x is equal to y and lambda 1 equal to minus 2. Now the fifth equation is 2z plus lambda 1 plus lambda 2 equal to 0. So from the way already you know the value of lambda 1, that you can substitute in the fifth equation, so that you get 2z minus 2 plus lambda 2 equal to 0. You got lambda 2 equal to 2 into 1 minus z. So you can substitute the value of lambda 1 and lambda 2 in equation 3 and 4. So equation 3 implies in the place of lambda substitute minus 2, and lambda 2 as 2 into 1 minus z, and substitute in equation 4. Now you can see that these two equations are same, right? 2x, 2y. These two equations are same, so that you can write it together as divided by 2. You will get x plus y. Then see here, divided by 2, x plus y plus 1 minus z is equal to 0. That is equation number 6. Now our aim is to find the point on the curve. that is x, y, z. So for that, here one equation and another one equation you can choose as a constraint, because our question consists of two constraint equations. So from that you can assume this equation x plus y plus z is equal to 1. So this note as equation number 2, and this one equation number 6. This two you can solve. See, this is equation number 2. By adding or by solving, you will get x is equal to minus y. Again, you can subtracting those two, you will get z is equal to 1. So one of the point we achieved. We need again x and y. So for that, one more constraint equation is there. Z is equal to xy plus 5. So here you can substitute the value of z. So minus x into y. Here in this equation 7, you got the value of y as minus x, substitute, which is equal to 5, from the way x is equal to plus or minus 2. So this you can substitute in equation number 2, so that you will get the value of y. So we got x, y and z. So these are the two values. So the coordinate of these 2 points, which are 3 unit distance from the origin. 3 unit distance represent, you can see the distance. So here 2 square plus 2 square plus 1, which is equal to 8. That's equal to 3. So that is a 3 unit distance from the origin.